Hi, I'm Mel from Boxed, and today I'll be talking about our low height cake boxes, which are perfect for small cakes. So if this sounds like something you're in the market for, just keep watching. These boxes are incredibly versatile and are used for all sorts of different things, from grazing and donut boxes to storing and showcasing cookies. Our customers have found endless uses with our low height boxes. We do have different cake boxes available on our website, but this one here measures 10 inches by 10 inches and has a height of 4 inches. It's essential to check all dimensions before making a purchase, just to make sure there are no unexpected surprises come delivery day. Now, when you hear flat packed, most people automatically think, oh no, but fear not, our boxes can be easily assembled. So easy, I'm going to show you right here on camera. It's really simple. Your box is going to come flat packed and you're going to keep the gloss on the outside. Okay, so first of all, you're just going to pop the first one up like this, and you're going to pop the first tab straight in, which slips easily into the box just here. You're going to continue around the same direction, so we'll get one side done first. So we'll just flip this up here and we're going to pop your second tab just straight in there. Now we'll continue a little bit further to the lid here, and again we're still staying on the same side as the box, so we'll pop that third tab, just easily slots into the side there. We're going to flip it around to the other side and we're going to do exactly the same thing. We're going to pop this one straight up. First tab. Now these slot so easily into place. They were designed by professional cake makers, so everything just pops so easily and just pops straight in there. Now we've got the last lid going on here. Flip it around and you just close your box there as close. And there you have it, a sturdy cake box. Now here's a great tip. Place a small piece of non-slip material at the base of the box before placing your cake inside. By doing this, you can prevent the cake from sliding within the box during transit. Our boxes are made from high quality paperboard and 100% food grade recycled paper and are finished in a lovely glossy white. The easy to wipe surface is perfect for use in the kitchen because, as we know, getting messy fingers when dealing with food is just unavoidable. Our customers tell us that they love the white box, especially if they add their own stickers showcasing their brand. Now, the sturdy design of each box helps take the fear out of transportation by giving your stunning creations a place to call home until they're ready for the main event. After spending hours baking a beautiful cake, the last thing you want is it getting destroyed during transit. So whether you're baking for a corporate event, a wedding or a birthday, our low height cake boxes are a great way to present your handcrafted goods to customers and clients. Thanks so much for watching.